LJ Smith's linear metal panel system offers the newest look in modern stairway design and features pre-assembled panels for ease of installation. With multiple spacer newels, 5-rake and 7-level panel widths, there are plenty of options to accommodate your stair design. This video will cover installing our metal panel system on a Kneewall stair with a landing. Begin by drilling evenly spaced 1/4-inch holes through the bottom of each panel equal to the number of holes drilled in the top of the panel. We recommend the holes be drilled in a serpentine pattern. Transfer the hole locations to the knee wall, floor surface, or curb wall. Then drill 1/8-inch diameter holes 2 1/4 inches deep at each location. Position the knee wall panels on the knee wall and secure them using the provided 2 1/2-inch screws. Position the level panels flush to the floor surface or curb wall on the landing and secure them using the provided 2 1/2-inch screws. Position the handrail on top of the panels. Using the pre-drilled holes in the panel top as a template, mark the bottom of the handrail for the rail screws. Drill 1/8-inch diameter holes 1 inch deep at the marks on the handrail bottom. Secure the handrail in place by installing the supplied 1 1/4-inch screws through the panels into the bottom of the handrail. Spacer newels may also be required to maintain spacing code between panels or if the run is 15 feet or longer. If spacer newels are needed, position each newel and mark the foothold locations. Drill 7 32nd-inch diameter holes 2 7/8 inches deep for the foot leg screws. Mount the spacer newels using the supplied 2 3/4-inch post foot leg screws. With the handrail in place over the spacer newel, use the top plate as the template to drill 1/8-inch diameter holes 1 inch deep into the handrail bottom for the screws. Secure the spacer newel to the handrail by installing the supplied 1 1/4-inch screws. The easy-to-install LJ Smith panel system complements any home style.